Guys, we got the queen of all steaks, the picanha, going on the Blackstone Griddle for some awesome picanha tacos coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, as you can tell, we're outside. Obviously, there's cars going by, kids yelling in the background, dogs barking in the background, but that's okay. Today, we're gonna be on the Blackstone Griddle, my 17-inch griddle, and we're gonna make some picanha tacos today. I got some beautiful black grade picanha from Snake River Farms, beautiful marbling, gorgeous, gorgeous cut of meat. All right, we're gonna put that on a very hot Blackstone griddle and sear it in like you would with a cast iron, right? And then we're going to chop it up and put it into some tacos. And why are we doing that? Well, guys, this video is part of a big collaboration with a bunch of other YouTubers. I'll put a hashtag down below for it. Tacos Are Life, I think, is the hashtag name. Either way, it'll be under the video. Click on that. Go watch after watching this video. Click on that one. Go watch the other videos from all the other YouTubers in our little community here. And if you want to make a comment on their videos, tell them that CJ sent you. All right, real easy to do. We got this beautiful picanha. We scored the fat cap on the top, and then we sliced it in the normal steaks. I scored the fat cap so it doesn't curl up on me while we're cooking it. All right, so that's why I did it that way. No other reason, no big deal. Okay, and then I got some of my Cosmo Q Texas beef, and we covered it up. Okay, now the reason, usually with picanhas, you just treat it with some sea salt and you're good to go. But I wanted to add a little extra flavor because, like I said, we are putting these into some tacos, so I wanted little hints of like some peppers, a little citric acid, stuff in there that's more than just salt. Okay, it's pretty simple, as our neighbors can tell you. It's a pretty simple thing to do, but we're gonna get over to the Blackstone right now. My barbecue row in the backyard right here is going under some changes, so it's gonna look a little different outside, but the changes are gonna be awesome. I'm almost done with it. I'll reveal it later. Okay, so let's get on with that Blackstone and start making these wonderful tacos. All right, coming back. Okay, guys, we got the Blackstone lit. I am not gonna add oil to this because there's so much fat and marbling on the picanha, so just gonna go straight onto the cast iron, or the Blackstone, as it were. All right, we got to start off with the little end point right here. This is just for me to snack on while we're cooking the other ones. We're gonna render some of the fat out of it, get it on there, and then we'll get the steaks going. Okay, time to get these steaks on. We're gonna do quick sears on each side. We're gonna take them to about medium rare. And then we'll sear off that fat cap a little bit too. Oh, the smells coming off this. So freaking good. Ooh, that's a thing of beauty right there. We're gonna do about 2 minutes aside. We'll flip them over. Make sure they get good crustification on there. They look good, man. It's gonna be some good eating right here. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. Let's flip these bad boys over. That nice crustification on there. I'm gonna put these fat caps against the wall of the Blackstone. We'll kind of render it out a little bit too. But the fat's where it's at. I went ahead and cut up the little steak for myself. Get them up to the side. Good stuff. We'll find room for this bad boy. This one right here could just go up like this. I like it. All right, okay guys, these are ready to come off. They're all temping out about 140 or so. I think I went a little over on them, but there's so much fat and marbling in these that I think we'll be okay. Just got a little sidetrack while filming, not a big deal. Like I said, tons of fat in there, tons of flavor. If they're a little over, I mean, it's not bad. I cut a little piece off for myself. Pretty dang good. All right, let's go build these tacos. All right, our steaks are done and rested. Now we're gonna toast up some tortillas. I got flour here, just because that's what I like, but you can use corn if you like. Got some guac, got some queso fresco, and some pico de gallo. When we're toasting up the tortillas, we'll cut up a couple of the steaks, and then we'll build these tacos. I even got this weird looking baking tray that will hold the tacos up, so there you go. All right, okay, let's get these toasted up. Not gonna take a long time with those. All right, let's grab a couple of these steaks. Let's get them sliced up for the tacos. Get this big chunk right here. Let's see how that one is. Yeah, there we go. This one's a bit more medium rare. Look at that. There we go. That's what we're looking for. All right, let's put that steak aside right now. Build a couple tacos. We said we make 3 of them. Taco thingy. If you don't got a taco thingy in your life, do you really know what you're doing with your life? All right, I'm gonna put a little bed of guac in there, a little bit up here. Get our nice looking meat in there. Tell you what, you can't go wrong right there. Look at all that goodness. Got picanha steak tacos, queen of all steaks. Looking good. Right, nice and filled up. I'm gonna add a little queso fresco on top right here. Crush that up very well. Oh well, come on, let's get it together here. All right, I'm gonna add a little pico in there, just a little bit on the top. Let's get this thumbnail taken and we'll take a bite. All right, guys, we're done. We got these picanha tacos ready to go. Beautiful as can be. All right, so let's give these a shot. All right, who's ready? You know I am. You know it's good when you need to bring out a rag. You know what I'm saying? Get a little off your face and get it out of your beard, all right? And like I was saying, this is part of a collaboration with a bunch of other YouTubers. Every once in a while, we like to do that, help each other out, get subscribers going to checking out other people. All good. Lots of great people on this collab. So hit that hashtag down below. Tacos are life. I think that's what it was. And I'll have it set up below. Check it out, okay? If you guys want to get yourself a Blackstone, I'll put a link down below. If you want to get anything, the knives, cutting boards, any of the stuff I use in my video, links will be down below too. If you want to get some Cooking with CJ merch, hit that link down below too. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, either join my Patreon, which I'll put a link up there, or hit that join button down below and you can join on YouTube. All right, bunch of little perks, behind the scenes stuff, all that good stuff, and it all helps out the channel. All right, so that's it for this one, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.